Davis has become a top-notch university in engineering. I mean, they were very good, but they're getting very attractive. We have so many students coming in. We've had the biggest enrollment in engineering over the last 5 years.
The ESEC is a place where students can come and learn the hands-on portion of what they learn in class. Having students actually turn handles and produce something physically is critical, because giving them that hands-on exposure, the better engineers they become.
You want to teach students the very most up-to-date relevant things, and you want them to work on the most pressing problems, right? For example, we had a class where we focused only on essential workers, challenges to essential workers during the COVID. We were actually able to manufacture PPE on our equipment during the biggest time of need, which is like March, April.
From the first moment that we heard that there was a demand for making PPE to us producing the first batch of face shields was all within maybe 1 week.
This ability to pivot to the most important problems and to get students to work as creatively as possible at solving these problems.
We collaborated with 3 other departments, so we had to make a decision between quality versus the number of items we produce.
Is it technically sustainable? Is it environmentally sustainable? Is it socially sustainable? And is it economically sustainable?
We were putting out about 55 shields a week, 3D printed parts, but about 300 clear visors that accompany the shields per week.
When we talk to people in industry, people who want to hire, they want students that can take an ill-defined problem, right? Figure out what the criteria are needed to solve that problem and solve it, right? And they also want students that can work in teams of people from all different backgrounds. At the Engineering Student Design Center, that's really what we're focusing on. I call it client-focused project-based learning. So there's always a client and always a real problem that they are going to focus on. When they do that, they are excited and you get tons of work out of them, and the learning is much, much better.
We definitely have the interest to participate more in these big collaborations within the community. We're only limited by the equipment that we have. So we're currently undergoing an expansion, and we're going to more than double our footprint in roughly 2 years.
The great thing is we have the talent here, right? What we don't have yet is a fully stocked Engineering Student Design Center and the ecosystem that's going to support it. It's going to be a $20 million facility. Then we need to outfit that thing with the best and most technically advanced equipment that we can get.
And we are looking forward to give students that better experience.
So that's what we're hoping to do. That's our approach to engineering student design.